Hello student, let us continue for the discussion of 22nd January evening shift chemistry paper. So here they are giving X is the most electronegative element and Y is the least electronegative element in the group 15 element, and element are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. So then first option giving X2O3 is acidic, that means N2O3, definitely N2O3 is acidic, and Y2O3 is amphoteric is the correct option. Y2O3 means Sb2O3. So antimony oxide are amphoteric, whereas N2O3 nitrogen oxide are acidic in nature. First option will be the answer. Let us go for the next level of questions. Now in this question, statement type questions, the correct order of first ionization energy, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine they are providing. Fluorine is greater than nitrogen is greater than oxygen greater than carbon. Correct only. And statement 2 is telling the correct order of electron gain enthalpy of group 16, sulfur greater than selenium greater than tellurium greater than oxygen. Both the statement and statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct options. That will be the answer. 14 questions. Molecule with the least dipole moment among the following. CHCl3 is giving, NF3 is giving, H2 is giving, H2O giving, and NH3 is giving. NF3 has the least dipole moment. Why? Because NF3 is this structure, my dear student. NF3 structure is this one, NF3. So NF3 means this lone pair moment, these directions, whereas fluorine bond moment is like this direction, resultant is this direction. That means lone pair moment and net bond moment are cancelling to each other, almost going to 0. The value is 0.23 dY, which is the least value among the molecule. And in NF3, how many lone pair in a central atom is there? Only one lone pair is there. That's why second options will be your answer. Point is clear. Let us go for the next questions discussions. In this question, statement type questions, they are telling first ionization energy of chromium is lower than the magnesium. If you look at the chromium first ionization, chromium, if you don't know the value also, idea look at chromium is argon code 3d5, 4s1, whereas manganese is argon code 3d5, 4s2. Obviously, easily chromium want to lose this 4s1 electron, then it will get the half filled d5, exchange energy will be more stable. So that's why d5 half filled as well as exchange energy will be more. That's why this will be more stable. That's why first ionization energy of chromium is lower than the manganese. That statement is a correct, but they are telling second and third ionization energy is chromium is higher. Second and third ionization means half filled configuration you have to more. Second and third ionization energy chromium is not higher. That statement is wrong. That's why first option statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect. That will be your answer. 16th statement they are giving BCl3 and AlCl3 are covalent compound. Yes, BCl3 and AlCl3 and covalent compound. Statement 1 is correct. And statement 2 they are telling BCl3 on reaction with water forming BOOH whole 4 minus. BCl3 on reaction with water it will form boric acid, not that one. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is false, means incorrect. That first option is ready for that one. 17 questions they are giving that IUPAC name, that this structure they are giving. This is the structure, my dear student, they are giving for you like this. Then this is the structure. This will be 1, 2, 3. So then here and here you have a like this. Then it is like a ester. You look at COOR, and here you have a 3 carbon. Generally ester how we used to do? Ethanoyl, ethanoate, methanoyl, methanoate. That means whatever the alkyl part is there, that will be the first name, and then which number of acid, that will be weight. So then immediately here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be your idea. Yes or no? So then immediately if you look at here 3 carbon is there. That's why propyl 2 bromo 5 methyl heptanoate. Propyl 2 bromo alphabetically 5 methyl heptanoate. 7 carbon in a main chain heptanoic acid ester, heptanoate. Then you look at Your second option is ready. Propyl 2-bromo 5-methyl heptanoate. Go for the next questions. In this next question is very easy organic chemistry question. Here they are giving pH. This is a cyclohexane ring, and then here NH2. Now here if you give C6COCl, that means pH COCl, removal of HCl and benzylation, then immediately you will get here NH and CO and pH. Now here lithium aluminum hydride they are giving. This is your A. Here if you are giving lithium aluminum hydride, that means it is like a substituted amide. Then amide reduction means CO only will be converted to what? CH2. Then you will get over here NH, and then CO will be converted to CH2, and then pH. That will be your B. Then check it out which option is there. You look at cyclohexane ring, CH2, NH, CH2, benzene ring, pH. First option is ready. First options will be your answer. Point is clear. Now come for the next question, question number 20. Question number 20, what they are telling? An alkene on reductive ozonolysis give a methanol. Methanol means where you will get the formaldehyde. If you look at here, you will get first structure, here one ketone and below will be CHO, but not formaldehyde. And third one also CHO. But fourth one also, here you will get CO and here you will get CHO, but not the methanol. But second structure you will get the methanol. Why? Because second structure terminal double bond is ready. The structure is like this. You look at here, here and here. Now you look at here, when you will do reductive ozonolysis, what you will get? Here you will get like these structures. That means here CHO plus with this carbon HCHO. These two you will get over here. That means this is nothing but your methanol. That's why which options will be your answer? Second options will be your answer. Is it clear? Let's go for the next level of questions. In the next question, what they are asking, find the correct match of reaction glucose with a given reagent, column 1 and column 2. This year, this type of question again and again asking. Some reaction they giving and some reagent they giving, or some reagent giving their product they are asking. Now, hydroxylamine, if it is react with glucose, it will form as a glucose has a aldehyde group. It will form a what? Glucose oxime. That's why P will connect with a what? 4. Now bromine water mild oxidizing agent. Glucose oxidation means gluconic acid. Q will be nothing but if you look at Q will be nothing but a 1 gluconic acid. And then excess acetic acid means pentaacetate. So that's why R will be 2. Concentrated HNO3 means CHO and CH2O. That means top CHO of glucose as well as bottom CH2OH. That also will undergo oxidation. You will get a saccharic acid. That's why if you look at your S will be 3. First option is ready. P4, Q1, R2, S3. Now, question number 21. Jaldal process they are asking. When 1 gram of organic compound subject to Jaldalize, that means Jaldal process, for estimation of nitrogen, 15 ml of 1 molar of H2SO4 was neutralized by ammonia equal percentage of nitrogen. That means here whatever nitrogen is their organic compound, ultimately by series of reaction they wish to convert it into the ammonia. Now, and ultimately ammonia will react, 2 moles of ammonia will react with a 1 mole of H2SO4 and then they will form a ammonium sulfate. This is the reaction. Now, whatever moles of H2SO4, double amount will be there ammonia. Now, they are telling how many ml? 15 ml 1 molar, ml into molarity, millimole. How many? 15 millimole of H2SO4. 15 millimole of H2SO4 means what will be the ammonia? Double amount, 2 into 15. That means 30 millimole of ammonia. 30 millimole of ammonia. By formula also you can do, but all problem if they give in terms of back titration formula will not work. That's why conceptually if you do, it will work everywhere. So then 30 millimole of ammonia is there. Then 30 millimole of ammonia, 1 mole of ammonia will give 1 mole of nitrogen. 1 mole of ammonia will give 1 mole of nitrogen. Then 30 millimole of ammonia will give 30 millimole of nitrogen. 30 millimole of nitrogen means how many nitrogen atom? 30 divided by 1000 mole of nitrogen atom. Then one nitrogen atom 14 gram. This many mole means how many gram? This into 14. Then immediately you will get 3 into 14, 42 into 10 ki power of minus 2, which is 0.42 gram. Yes or no? Then immediately you will get 0.42 gram of nitrogen out of how much? 1 gram. Then percentage of nitrogen means percentage of nitrogen will be equals to 0.42 out of 1 into percentage means what? 100. That will be your calculations. Yes or no? Clear or not? Understood? Okay. Let's go for the next level of questions. In these questions, what they are asking? Find the mass of product obtained by benzoylations of aniline and the reaction yield is 82%. Benzoylation of aniline means what? Simply you have to do, this is your aniline. If it is react with a PaHCOCl and then immediately you will get your product NaHCOPH. That means 1 mole aniline will react with a 1 mole benzoyl chloride and 1 mole of this product used to form. Then 5.8 gram means how much moles of aniline? Then that many mole will form 80% of that many mole your product will form. 80% of that many mole you will calculate and then 82% of that many mole you will calculate and then you will convert into the mass, you will get your answers. Then 23 questions. A organic compound with a molecular formula C8H8O2 gives a crossed aldol condensation reaction with acetone. Aldol condensation means first base dilute NaOH will create a enolate ion and that enolate ion obviously the aldehyde or ketone which has a alpha hydrogen that will create a enolate ion and via enolate ion through the alpha carbon it will attack to the another aldehyde or ketone and then they will form beta hydroxyaldehyde, further heating via E1CB mechanism, removal of water and forming alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and ketone, that is the aldol condensation. Now here what will happen? That compound will undergo crossed aldol with acetone as well as that compound react with a concentrated NaOH will give a Cannizzaro reaction. That means that compound which should be, there will be no alpha hydrogen. That's why they are giving the 4 option. In that 4 option, option 4 is not matching with a molecular formula and then among 1, 2, 3 that 1 don't have a aldehyde group, then among 2 and 3 which will both are matching with that formula, no, both are not matching. Second option is not matching with that formula, only third option is matching with that formula, then third options will be your answers. Now question number 24, they are giving IUPAC name of the end product. How you will do? Here they are giving like this compound A1, 2 and then here they are giving bromine atom and here they are giving bromine atom. Now if you look at 2 moles of NaNH2, here you have a 1 hydrogen, here you have a hydrogen. Then here NH2 minus will take this one, this is coming and this is going. Another unit of NH2 minus is taking this one and this is going. Then you are getting a triple bond structure. Like that substance you are getting. You look at like that substance you are getting over here 1, 2, 3 and 4, this triple bond. That means here you have a carbon and hydrogen. Now here if you give another mole of NaNH2, acidic hydrogen will be there for terminal alkyne. Then there is a acid base reaction. Then you will get like this structures, my dear student. You will get like this structure here negative charge. Now with that here they are giving in a second reagent is nothing but a 2-bromopropane. This substance they are giving. Then clearly it will undergo SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction. This is a SN2 reaction and then your product is here triple bond and here it will be connected with this one. This will be your product. Now if you look at in this compound, then in this compound they are asking that IUPAC name they are asking. Then immediately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this side if I come 1, 2, 3, triple bond is coming 1, 3 position. But 2 position there will be no substituent. But if I come this side 1, 2, 3, 2 position there will be substituent. That's why naming will be like this. That's why if you will get 2-methyl hex 3-ine, 2-methyl hex 3-ine, 2-methyl hex 3-ine. Fourth option is ready. That's why your answer will be the fourth option. First reactions will be there, that 2 unit of eliminations reaction. For this is nothing but, the same carbon is holding the halogen atom. This is a gem dihalide. The removal of a eliminations reactions of gem dihalide is forming the terminal alkyne over here. Then again another unit of NaNH2 is forming acid base reaction, and this minus charge is creating on this carbon because it's sp hybridized which can hold this negative charge, and then this negative charge will act as a nucleophile, attack to the 2-bromopropane in a SN2 mode and forming this compound, and then IUPAC name will be 2-methyl hex 3-ine. Why? Because this right side numbering will be there, 2 position there will be substituent. I hope I able to give you clarity, and to get the more and more clarity for the upcoming JEE main session, please come, watch, subscribe and share with your friends, so that this channel can day by day prosper and grow more and can benefit it to the student society, so that which will give me more and more happiness. Thank you all. Thank you, my dear student.